Hey there, welcome to the back office. My name is Reverend Ron Gelock, and I want to say thanks and congratulations for purchasing the Christian Coaches script book. What this video is going to be an overview. I'm going to walk you through this book and show you how to sign up some clients using our script. So I'm super excited about it. Let's dive in. Let me go ahead and share my screen. That way you can follow along right with me. So you want to make sure you have this downloaded or printed out. And then we're going to go ahead and go over to page 3. So this is just a welcome introduction. I want to tell you guys that I have been using this strategy, the free discovery call or free strategy call, for years, and it's how I've been bringing people into one-on-one and group programs. So this process is something that we've kind of fine-tuned over the years and has worked really well for us. The idea is to give some people some value, to ask really good questions and try to find out what the client wants, and then share at the end how your program is a fit to help that client achieve or get to the place that they want. Okay, so let's go over to page 5 here. So here's the basic flow to the call. This is what the most important part of this call is, the prayer right beforehand. So every time, guys, every time that I make a phone call for to prospect a new client, to bring them on board, I want to pray and I ask God to do things like, hey, Lord, please make sure that we are a good fit. If we're not, please, speak to me. Please confirm that in my spirit. Let me know, and I pray that they'll be blessed, that they'll get value, that they'll move ahead, that we'll both have peace about working together if it's the right fit. So I always just kind of do that to kind of just like posture myself, and then incorporate my faith into what we're doing, right? Into the coaching. So if you follow this script, it's going to be a great process for you to lead people naturally into coaching. But the other important thing is to leave the outcomes up to God. Understand that you can increase your skill and you become a better salesperson, a better coach. But the outcome is ultimately up to God, so you can stay even keel no matter what's happening. So